In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to copy an image here in Canva. So I have this image just here, and let me show you two different ways. Now the first way is just simply copy and pasting. Now on a Mac, which I have, it's simply Command and C to copy, and then Command and V to paste, just like that. And now we've copied this image. Now another way is simply to click onto the image just like this, then click on this little duplicate button above the image, and then it's going to copy it just like that. So very, very easy. Now one thing to note as well, if you have a different Canva project that you want to copy an image from, you can simply use copy and paste. So on the Mac, again, we'd do Command and C, and then in a different tab, in a different design, we can simply do Command and V, and it's going to paste that image. Now, if you don't have a Mac, on PC, it's Control and C to copy, and then Control and V to paste. But nonetheless, that's just how simple it is to copy an image here in Canva. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.